with a coverage of 5G nation.
A tsunami warning is now in effect, which includes the coastal areas of Alaska from Kennedy and Trans-Alaska, which is located 40 miles southwest of Homer, to Honeymoon Pass, Alaska, which is located 80 miles northeast of Alaska. If you are located in this coastal area, move inland to higher ground. Tsunami warnings mean that a tsunami with significant inundation is possible or is already occurring. Tsunamis are a series of waves dangerous many hours after initial arrival time. The first wave may not be the largest. At 12:55 p.m. Alaska Daylight Time on October 19th, an earthquake with preliminary magnitude 7.4 occurred 55 miles southeast of Sandpoint, Alaska. Estimated tsunami start times for selected sites are Sandpoint, Alaska 1:55 p.m. AKDT, October 19th. Coal Bay, Alaska 2:45 p.m. AKDT, October 19th. Kodiak, Alaska 2:50 p.m. AKDT, October 19th. The tsunami warning will remain in effect until further notice. Refer to the internet site Tsunami.gov for more information. Message from NWS/CAP.
Let's talk Boudica.
Okay.